How to show or hide Gboard suggestion strip on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on Gboard Settings, then tap on Corrections and Suggestions. After that, scroll down and tap on Suggestions Strip. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Suggestion Strip. This will show suggestions and access features when you turn it on. Here, if we go to your app and bring up the keyboard, at the top here, it will show a suggestion strip at the top. If we switch it off, this strip here will be removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.